Chris Farley was wrong. This is the most annoying sound ever. He's been going on for like half an hour. Oh, don't get shy now, boy. Watch what happens when you tell him to stop. Stop whining. Stop whining, CJ. Now he's getting shy. The power of videotape. What note is that? Is that like a B flat? What is that? It's the sound of annoying, I tell you that. It's an annoying note. Maybe it's A for annoying. Ah, the sound of silence. Oh my God. Just keep smiling.